Out in sunny Arundel, picking the Renault 16 up that makes some funny noises. I think it's either drive shaft or gearbox related this time, so I'm going to risk driving it back to my workshop, but I've got a trailer on standby if necessary. Let's see what happens. All the way from Arundel, got as far as just into the beginning of Worthing, and I've decided it's making too much noise again now, so I'm going to load it on the trailer for its final leg of the journey back to my workshop. Never mind, I'm sure we'll get to the bottom of it. Renault 16 up because it was making some funny noises, and I found this rather bedraggled rubber dust cover which I've just pulled off to find that metal casing that's supposed to protect it is in two pieces. So I'm going to pull that off and I can have a closer look at the joint itself. Right, we're back on recording hopefully. Right, I've just put a pair of mole grips on the shaft to hold it in place, and if my assistant holds the mole grips, yep, we've got tiny bit of knocking noise with a little bit of play on this joint, because this is the much older exposed joint which was only used on the 16 GLs. Anyway, I'm going to road test it with the metal cover off because this looks particularly nasty and not really doing a lot, so it's now surplus to requirements.
See where it's been rubbing. Look.
Yeah, I think if you look in here it looks like something's been happening. I jacked it up to go around the other side. I've got the pair of mole grips on the shaft, and my assistant will hold the mole grips. No, I'll hold the mole grips and my assistant will rock the wheel, and you can see I've got a very tiny bit of movement on the shaft, but you know, that's within limits. Interestingly, this side, no trace of the metal bit, just the rubber cover, which I can slide back and you can see the joint inside. So I've always seen them with a metal bit inside there, so maybe this one's been removed, who knows. Right, okay, let's let it down and road test it and I'll report back.